That's only for Mchenry, though.
Single-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vegetation is possible.
Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible.
Oh man, I left it on display. Loser.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harbor to near Marengo to near Kingston, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Hunley, Marengo, Ridgefield, Bull Valley, Union, Woodstock, Lakewood, Mchenry, Crystal Lake, Indiana the Hills, and Hampshire. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA weather